ka Office Directorate of Technical and Higher Education jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya ka bapait ye ka pule puthi kalapan banai ki artli ki kendan badan kam ban board apa apply scholarship nadu usniam arjar apa saw seneng pai ya kani ka sithi phinyo I artli ki kendan ka banengkong barok ki khanna bat samla pule ki bathmu ban apply scholarship ki de bandan yo Aadhaar number lane Aadhaar card shua baka national scholarship portal kan play ne kabanta ban apply ki scholarship scheme ki bapher haden balayo yo Aadhaar number ki day ban pania solang yo Aadhaar number bat ka bank account jongki khnang baka jingsam ka scholarship kan long ka basuk bat ka bayai bek yai ranti klem jing thot ka kundan ka baar kat kum ka jing ptha ka tanat ba pek scholarship bat ka sithi na ka sarkar tang ki income certificate balpan mi ne ai de ki DC deputy commissioners jong baro ki districts ki SDO sub divisional officer jong baro ki subdivision bat ki BDO block development officers jong baro ki blocks la ban pdiang hakapor ba apply scholarship ki income certificate bala penmi di ki wepat ki bor lane ki affidavit bala ai di ki lawyers bat ki advocates anam la show ban pdiang ya kini ki income certificate bala penmi di ki DC bat ki SDO pila ban apply dalade na website mecedistrict.gov.in lane e-district Meghalaya ladap himnang ban apply pila ban pha apply sa cyber anda piliyo ikini ki income certificate bala penmi de ki DC bat ki SDO pila ban apply scholarship nadu uni usnem arajar apa saw shikmat